It's been a while, but we're doing 60 seconds of CS speed again. It's the front of the chassis for the 240. You can see the tie-ins to the forward laterals. Shock mounts are welded in. We got one brace on that side. We've got a half-built control arm just mocked up in here with a mock-up tool for the shock. Setting everything up for when the fixture stuff gets here for the motor mounts. You'll see those in an upcoming video. I don't think any of this is new for you guys. We're getting there. We've been busy between Pete's car and this car. It's just one day at a time, get as much done as we can. That's about it for today's 60 seconds at CS Speed.